Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you determination of moisture and fat content of milk powder. Now let's start the topic. This the standard specifies a method for the determination of moisture content in milk powder. The standard listed below contain provisions which thorough reference. For the purpose of this standard, the moisture content of the milk powder and the similar product shall be the loss in mass expressed as a percentage by mass when the product is heated in an air oven at 102 plus minus degree Celsius, 2 degree Celsius to constant mass. Apparatus required is flat bottom moisture dishes with the cover of stainless steel, glass, nickel, aluminium or porcelain having approximately 50 mm diameter and 25 mm depth. The dishes shall have lids which fit well and can readily be removed. A drying oven is required. It is a well ventilated air oven thermostatically controlled at 102 degrees Celsius. The temperature should be uniform throughout the oven. A desiccator containing an efficient desiccant, bottles with tight fitting stoppers for mixing the product, then sampling. Prepare a representative and homogeneous sample. Procedure is, first of all, we need to prepare a sample. For preparation of sample, we need to transfer the whole of the sample of the product to a dry stoppered bottle of a capacity of about twice the volume of the sample and mix intensively by rotating and shaking the bottle. Carry out the determination as explained below. It duplicate using flat bottom moisture dishes with covers. Determination is uncover a dish and place the dish and its lid in the oven for 102 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Place the lid on the dish. Transfer the covered dish from the oven to the desiccator. Allow it to cool to room temperature and weigh it with the lid on. Put approximately 1 grams of product in the dish. Cover the dish with the lid and weigh the covered dish accurately and quickly. Uncover the dish and put the dish and its lid in the oven at 102 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Replace the lid. Transfer the covered dish to the desiccator. Allow it to cool to room temperature and weigh it accurately and quickly. Then heat the uncovered dish and lid in the oven at 102 degrees Celsius for further 1 hour. Replace the lid. Allow the covered dish to cool to the room temperature in the desiccator and wait. Repeat the process until successive weighings do not differ by more than 0.5 mg, and it is usually found that drying is complete after the first 2 hours. The calculation for that is moisture percent by mass equal to m1 minus m2 upon m1 minus m into 100, where m1 is initial mass of the dish and the lid with the material taken for the analysis in grams, whereas m2 is final mass of the dish and lid with the material after drying in grams, and capital M is the mass of the empty dish. Then accuracy for the determination is the maximum deviation between duplicate depth determinations should not exceed 0.15% by mass. Then fat content of milk powder is estimated by accelerated solvent extraction method. For that, we require temperature 80 degrees Celsius, pressure 1500 psi, cell heat up 5 minutes, static time 1 minute, flush volume 100%, pulse time 40 seconds, static cycles 3, and total time 11 minutes. And total solvents required are mixtures of hexane, dichloromethane, methanol in various volumes ratios. Then procedure is a cellulose filter is placed in the bottom of each extraction cell before loading the samples. Samples of 2 grams plus minus 0.2 gram are placed directly into 11 ml extraction cells, which are then placed in the upper carousel. The same number of pre-weighed collection vials are placed in the lower carousel. The methods are entered in the accelerated solvent extraction 200 and the extractions are started. The samples are extracted with a mixture of hexane, dichloromethane and methanol. The extraction temperature is 80 degrees Celsius and the extraction time is 3 cycles at 1 minute each. After extraction, the solvent is evaporated at 80 degrees Celsius under a nitrogen purge and the fat is dried according to the reference gravimetric method to which ASE method is being compared. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.